Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a huge unboxing from Loveshack Fancy and the Stanley holiday cup collaboration. I am so excited to do this video for you guys. So I had the privilege of going to the early access pop-up in Dallas, Texas, and we got to shop the collection before anybody else. And when I say we, I mean me and my girls, me, Chari, Brooke, and Vanessa. We all met up in Dallas and we went to the pop-up at the Loveshack Fancy Boutique. I am just so excited, you guys. We got basically everything that we wanted and more, so I am super excited to share with you guys what I got. And let me just tell you guys, all of these cups are screaming pink Christmas, and it is just in time for my birthday. This is my birthday month. November 21st is my birthday, so on my birthday month I go a little bit crazy when it comes to gifting myself. So yeah, this is going to be a very extra Loveshack Fancy Stanley unboxing. So get your drinks, get your snacks, and let's get started with this video. So I went absolutely crazy and I got basically one of everything. Not one of everything, okay, I didn't go too crazy, but I did get a ton of things. So this was gifted to me by my sister-in-law. I have two sister-in-laws and they both wanted to get me something from the collection for a birthday gift because they say it's very hard to shop for me because I'm always just buying whatever I want. So then they're left with like not knowing what to get me. So they offered to buy me a gift for my birthday. So I just sent them the list of things that I was eyeing. I told them y'all can pick one of anything from this list and that can be my birthday gift from y'all. So one of my sister-in-laws got me the lunch pail. So this, not the lunch pail, it's like a mini cooler. I mean, I guess it's a lunch pail, but she wanted to give me the mini cooler, so that's what I'm going to unbox first. So here it is, you guys. Oh my goodness. They have pink labeled on it. So I got the last one, you guys. I wasn't in the front of the line, but I wasn't in the back of the line either. We were in the middle. We thought we were getting there early, but we were actually late. So they weren't supposed to open this pop-up until 12, and we got there at 11 o'clock because we thought we were being early and we were going to be the first ones. And they ended up doing the launch, like they ended up opening up the shop early. They opened it like around 11 o'clock. So unfortunately we weren't the first ones in line, but we were still in a decent spot. But as soon as I got up to the front, you guys, I grabbed the last one. This was the last mini cooler. So I am so lucky to have gotten this, and thank you so much to my sister-in-law Kim for gifting this to me for my birthday. So this is my early birthday gift from her, and this is just so beautiful. So here it is. I'm definitely going to be using this all the time, and you guys are probably like, what are you going to use it for if you don't have like a job? And I want to use this for travel. I want to use this for a long day out shopping when I'm out and about. So I wanted to use this if I'm out of the house and I'm going to be gone all day. I want to have waters in my car. I want to have healthy snacks in my car because we are on a healthy journey, you guys. And I want to keep like grapes and waters or energy drinks, like just something that I want to keep chilled, and I want to keep it in the car throughout the day if I get hungry, thirsty. We got it here. I regretted not getting the previous mini cooler in the previous launch. It was like a dark pink with light pink flowers on it. I was debating on getting it, but I passed. And when this one came out, I was like, okay, I'm glad I passed on that one because I think this one is so much better. I love that it's baby pink and it has the bows, and I love that it comes with the charms. Like that is just a plus. So here's how it looks up close. You can see how the inside looks. I love that it's pink on the inside. It's so beautiful, you guys. I am scared to get this dirty, but it's so pretty. I'm so excited to use it. So now I got to get cute pink little containers to put the snacks, like the grapes and like crackers, stuff like that. I gotta get like little pink containers to put in here. That would be so cute. But yes, I love it. Let me know what you guys think. Kim, if you're watching this, thank you so much, girl, for getting this for me. I love you. Okay, so I'm just gonna grab the first thing that's up here. So this one is the blue lace cup in the 20 ounce. This is how the box looks. This is actually not for me. This is for my little sister-in-law. She really wanted this one, so I snagged it for her, and I am obsessed with it. I'm excited for her to get this because she's going to adore this. So this is how the inside looks, and here's the bag. I love that it's baby blue. I was tempted to get one myself, but I was like, no, I'm trying not to get too many cups, even though I have like so many cups, more than I need, right? But I just wanted to get 2 cups that I knew that I was going to use. So this one is for my sister-in-law, and this is how it looks. Look how pretty. Oh, I love her. She's so adorable. I love the blue lace. My friend Chari actually got all of the blue ones because she loves blue and pink. So if we need her to make an unboxing video because she got all 4 of them. So Chari, if you're watching this, you need to make an unboxing video because the girlies want to see what you got. But yeah, that is how the baby blue one looks. Here's the pink one, and this one is not for me, you guys. This one is for a member in the family, and this is actually going to be her push present because she is giving birth soon, and this is going to be perfect for her to have in the hospital. So this one is the Chantilly bow design, and this one is a 30 ounce. She wanted the 30 ounce because she loved the way the straw topper is. Its collection has a different straw topper option. It's called the Pro Tour. I'll show you guys what it is. So this is how it looks. Personally, I wish they would have offered the straw version as well as the Pro Tour, but they didn't do the straw version in the 30 ounce, which I was really sad about because I love the 30 ounce size. But me personally, I'm not a fan of the straw because if you put like Coke or tea or anything else, I feel like it's gonna be so hard to clean the straw. So I feel like this is definitely meant for just water, and I would have preferred the larger one to have it for water. So I didn't get a 30 ounce this time, and I was really sad because I love the 30 ounce so much. But like I said, I'm not a fan of the straw, so I had to pass. I did get the 40 ounces only. So shocking, I didn't get all the sizes. I just got the big ones. But yes, this one is for the member. This one is for my family member, and I am so excited for her to get it. It is so pretty. Okay, so this is the only cup that I got for myself. So I actually had to pre-order the other design that I just showed you. I had to pre-order that one in the 40 ounce because it's sold out. By the time I got to the front, they had sold out. I don't know if they just had like a small quantity of those cups, but me and the girls, me, Chari, Vanessa, and Brooke, we all had to pre-order it because they were completely sold out. But we were able to get a hold of this one, which I'm really glad because I feel like this one is my #1 favorite and the other print is my 2nd favorite. So I'm going to be waiting for the other one to come in the mail. So this is the only one that I got for myself, shockingly, other than that one. But I am obsessed with this one, you guys. It is so pretty, and I love the print. I felt like online, before seeing it in person, I felt like it was gonna be my least favorite, but then when I saw it in person, I was like, oh, this is gonna be my most favorite for sure. So here's how it looks like on the inside, and I'm telling you guys, I just love the straw version. I just feel like it's just the prettiest design for the cup. Like, I feel like all of them needed the straws. Even the mini ones, the 20 ounce ones, they did the other style of straw, which I was sad about, but honestly it's probably better because it made me spend less. It made me buy less. Because if they all had straws, I probably would have bought every single size. So yeah, that's probably a blessing in disguise. But here's how the big one looks. Look how beautiful she is, you guys. Oh my goodness, I am so obsessed with her. I love it. It is just such a perfect shade of baby pink, and then it has the darker pink bows. Look at that. And the straw, like, see, this is perfect. You can put any kind of drink in here because you can just easily clean the straw out. So I am so excited to start using this cup. I'm gonna use it tomorrow. I just wanted to unbox it for you guys before I start using it. But this is definitely gonna be my cup for Christmas. Like, I'm gonna be using this for the whole month of November and December. Like, I'm so excited. She's so pretty. Yay, I love it. Last thing that I picked up is the ornament set. I think I am most excited for the ornament set. They've never done anything like this before. Look how pretty they are, you guys. Oh my goodness. They're so adorable. I'm gonna put them on this tree here that you guys can see. And I'm just so excited to start using them. You can also use them as keychains. You can hang them on your Stanley cups, and you can use them to put like your Tylenol inside because they open, you guys. I'll show y'all here in a second, but this is how they look. So cute. Let me just pop out the pink ones because those are my favorite ones. These are so cute. So these are perfect to put on your keys, put on your purse, put on your cup, and look, they open up. This is so cute. So I feel like you could put Tylenol in here. That'd be so perfect. I just think they're so cute. I wonder if the little lid comes up because they made it in the Pro Tour style. Like, I feel like they should have made these ornaments with the straw. Like, could you imagine a mini straw? That would have been so cute. But yeah, this is how the top looks. If it wants to focus, there we go. That's how the top looks, and then just twists on. Oh, so cute. I love them. So you guys definitely need to get these for sure. I think they launch on Wednesday at 12 o'clock PST, I believe. But they do launch on Wednesday, you guys. So if you want them, make sure you're there. I just wanted to show you guys the cute little newspaper that they gave us. And this is pretty much like a catalog with all of the cups, everything that they launched, and the prices. So it's like you could plan your buy. So they were giving these out in the line so we could like decide what we were going to get, which I already knew what I was going to get. But I love that they gave you these little catalogs to look through them and, you know, look at what you wanted to get. This is the catalog of everything, and it has all of the prices. So here's how it looks. So the mini cooler, you guys, it was $140, and they also make a baby blue version as well. If you guys aren't so crazy about pink, you can also get it in blue. And here is the larger one right here. So the larger one is $155. That's crazy. I didn't know it was only $15 more. Like, it would have probably been worth it just to get the bigger one because it's only a couple dollars more. But yeah, they have the large and the small version and the large version. The ornament gift set was $50. And also, I didn't tell you guys, but my other sister-in-law, she gifted me the ornaments. I don't know if I said that earlier, but one of my sister-in-laws got me the cooler and the other sister-in-law got me the ornaments. So thank you so much to my sissies. I love them so much, you guys. I am so grateful to have such good sister-in-laws, and we're so close and we spoil each other, so I love them so much. So yeah, she gifted me the ornament set, and here's the prices on the Stanley. So the big one that I got was $65. The medium-sized one was $55. The 30-ounce was $55, and the small ones are $45. So I think they did raise their prices a little bit. I think the medium ones used to be $50, if I'm not mistaken, and the large sized ones used to be $60. I think they did raise them by like $5. I don't know. I can't remember. But they do also have the slim bottles. These are like perfect for wine. So they have the bottle and the little tumblers if you're a wine girly. That was it for everything that I got at the pop-up shop, and I am so excited to start using my cups. Let me know in the comments which cups you guys have your eyes on, which ones y'all are going to be buying. And yeah, that was it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.